think I wet my pants, guys. All right, YouTube, as you can see, we have the M4 right here. This thing is crazy, bro. M4 CSL, bro. Y'all let me know. Should we add this to the channel? Look at the license plate. M4 CSL, sexy. And start it up for the YouTube. Hell yeah. And then we have the Hellcat Redeye. Let's go ahead, double tap that right there, and then let this bad boy start. Yeah. What the fuck was that? Why is it smoking? That's weird. What am I shit smoking for? Okay. I'm not gonna lie, it's like a beautiful last day in LA. The weather is perfect. It's like my 5th time saying that today. That's the same dude from last time. Are you letting me go? See, he remembers. Oh my gosh. Bro, we might have to add a BMW to the fleet, bro. I love BMW, low-key. Oh, those downshifts are crazy. Oh, sexy. Look at that, Tiffany or baby blue, shark blue. It's tough. Straight your turn. Oh, I don't even have the map pulled up. That's why. Hey, you think we can make that turn? All right, y'all boys, make sure you leave a like and comment on this video because we are terrorizing Beverly Hills again. So hopefully we don't get touched by the police. Hopefully we're good. Officer opinion, if you're watching this, we have beef. Do it, do it. We just looked at each other and we already know. Body Range Rover. For everybody watching this, go comment where you're from. I want to see where my viewers are from. Trying to get a head count and see where y'all boys located. What the? Little baby pop. Are you gonna turn or dive? Guys, we can't do too much because I don't know where you live, but Beverly Hills Police, they're like one of the strictest police force probably in California, I would say. They just don't like nice cars in general, so we just can't. I know a lot of you guys, Cali kid, quiet SRT, why are you not doing burnouts every 3 seconds? Well, first of all, you're not paying for my tires. Second of all, this is real life. This is not a video game. I don't want to go to jail. So I can have fun, but we got to be safe at the same time. I'm not SRT land.
Get it started easy. All you need is a pro pad.
I'm not Fast Life Nick. I'm not running from the police. Ooh, speaking of the devil. Right there. And he a black cop, so you know, hopefully he chill. Hopefully. is like $5 million. That's a Ferrari Monza, I believe. I'm not saying that right at all. SP Monza. Is that a 765 LT? Dude. Oh my gosh. Is there a car meet? Oh, look at that McLaren. That's a 720S. Look at that M3. Oh my gosh. Bro, look at the wheels. Those are Brixton 4s. Bro. Oh my gosh, bro. I think I wet my pants, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Just keep it honest. We got some Rolls Royces over there. Okay, Rodeo Drive is looking pretty juicy today. Is that my boy? Hey. What up, man?
Bro, how's it going?
Hey, how long you been up here?
Fucking 6 hours, dude.
What the fuck? Nigga,
Go, go, go.
Alright, bet. Oh my, damn. Wow. What the fuck? That nigga, bro, he said 6 hours. That's a whole ass shift. Am I following you or are you following me? Alright. Bro. Is that a Mercy? Whoa, get over BMW. Sorry, Mom. Sorry. Oh my gosh. Bro, that sounds crazy, bro. Holy crap. Oh my gosh, guys. Wow, bro, that's the type of videos I be watching on freaking Instagram Reels, bro. That is nice cars ripping it down Beverly Hills. Now look at us. Right here?
You want to find a spot around here?
Yeah.
You want like more sunlight?
Somewhere like this, that's like shaded.
We can do it here if you want.
All right, pull up like underneath that tree. Like, all right. Good boy. Bro. Is it that loud? Doesn't feel like it. I feel like it's quiet. Was everybody looking?
Driving through Rodeo, I think my eardrums got like blown off.
Damn, so imagine this how they feel when they hear that. Bro, is that my brake dust or your brake dust? I smell brakes.
Mine.
Damn, is that? That shit's strong. I thought bro, I thought I was my brakes. I was like, what the fuck?
I didn't even use them, bro. You should see when I get them hot, they like start steaming up.
For real? How much did your brakes cost to replace?
Like 20, 25. Yeah, but they last you like a long time, unless you track it like often.
Shit, we got a Mercedes now too. What the heck? What is that, a GT? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, we gotta go. Oh, that was police. Boy, I hope that was security. There's like a whole fucking 5 cops. Boy, I hope that was security. Uh-oh. Bro, oh my. I just saw a fucking squad of police officers staring at me, bro. I hope that was security, bro. I hope that was security. Alright, we're circling back again. Just terrorizing Rodeo. Skirt! Bro, this is absolutely insane, bro. It's like a random ass like Sunday, and everybody's outside with their nice, beautiful cars. We have this beautiful car right here. Is that a wide body Mercedes? What the? Skirt! Boom. I think this is probably gonna be our last freaking run around because I'm pretty sure police are like after us right now. Alright, bet. Same. Hey, drive safe though. Yeah. Last round. Look at them car spotters right there. I see him. And bro got his phone out. He ready. Them car spotters. Hey, look at them car spotters right there. Right there. Give him a show. Give him a show. Oh my gosh. I know their ears are fucking gone.
Did you see how fast these people had to move their phones?
Bro.
Oh my god.
Said give him a show. Alright, yeah. We need to get the body, bro. We need to get the body, bro. Not gonna lie. Bro, this is spinning in circles. I would too. Oh, is that a scat? Scat? What up, man? What's a Hellcat, bro? Okay. Look at her. She covering her ears. That's you. Cause you don't like that shit. I made you used to it. Bro, most people do not like loud cars, bro. Like, they actually hate it. But it's okay. We're bringing culture to everybody's lives. We're showing them that it's okay to have cool cars. Is that an M2? Is that an M2 or M240i? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh! What is going on today, bro? Rodeo Drive has never been this active. We have Hellcats, Scat Packs, BMWs, Ferraris. We got everything. Rolls Royces. There's something for everybody right now. I don't know if you're gonna do it or not. Come on, come on. Yeah! Oh my gosh, bro. What is going on today, bro? It's like cars just spawning in left and right. All right, now boys, we're about to make a pit stop at Whoa. That sun is bright. But right now we're gonna go make a pit stop at Starbucks. Bro, he was saying, like bro, not all of us have carbon ceramics, bro. But basically he was saying like how my car is so loud. Well, I just can't tell from the inside. You can't really tell how loud it is. You hear somebody drive past you with it. Welcome to Earth. Hey, can we get food? No.
You want food?
Yeah.
Can we hop in?
No.
How are you?
They don't have chicken. Again?
Bro, again, bro.
Hey, park next to the M8.
Dang it.
No, I think I'm gonna do my own thing.
Huh?
I think I'm gonna do my own thing.
Vomit?
I'm gonna do my own thing. What do you mean later? What do you?
I thought you're leaving.
No. I said I'm gonna do
You
my.
want the chocolate milk?
No.
Where are you gonna park?
Wherever I want.
You want a burrito?
No, I just had a burrito. I don't want your burrito.
Have you met Sophia?
No, I don't know who that is. Who is that?
This is Frederick Ballard.
Nice
Hi.
to meet you.
Bro, where are these freaking middles, bro?
That's what I have.
Hey, can we get food after, please? Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. I really do hope you guys enjoy the new look on the Hellcat, bro. These lowering springs are actually crazy, bro. This thing looks so aggressive now. And as you can see right now, we're currently getting some more E85, bro. This is the second time of me being up here. And now when I get in the car, bro, it feels so much lower. It's actually crazy. Like the difference I feel in like when driving and getting in the car, it's tremendous. Guys, my brakes need to get replaced soon. They're starting to squeak, and if you don't know, when your brakes squeak like that, it's a sign that they need to be replaced unless you have carbon ceramics. In my case, I do not have carbon ceramic brakes, so it's time to get these bad boys replaced. Boom, 85 in the car, $32. Let's go ahead. Damn, what the uh-oh, it's crazy. All right, let's go ahead and do a cold start, or a hot start, my bad. To end this video off. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Let's go. Oh yeah. Bro, is that oil? It smells like oil. I think I need an oil catch can. Damn. 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 Whoa. With that being said, make sure you guys leave a like, comment, subscribe on the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this banger ass video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.